Welcome back, students. In our last class, we have studied about the northern plains. In this class, we will be seeing the divisions of the northern plains based on relief feature. As you know, this northern plains, it is a not a totally plain area. There is variation in the relief feature. Means somewhere it is heighted, somewhere it is at low height. So here also we will be studying about the various divisions of the northern plains. Basically, this northern plains that can be divided into four regions. The first region is known as Bhabhar area. When you see this diagram, this is the mountains are there, and after that mountain the plain area starts. When the rivers are coming, they are bringing lot amount of sediments, rocks with them, and as the velocity is very high, they are bringing and depositing all the sediments, rocks, pebbles on the foothills of the Shivalik. So this area where you will find large amount of pebbles is known as the Bhabhar area. And here in the Bhabhar area, the rivers they seems to disappear. The rivers they seems to be disappearing, but they are still flowing. They are flowing between the rocks. So this area is known as the Bhabhar area. In Bhabhar area, very less cultivation is found. The reason is that it is full up of rocks. Then after that, the second area of after Bhabhar is the Tarai area. Okay, so in the Tarai area, basically it is a marshy area, Daldali Kshetra. Here you will find thick forest, and here the cultivation is also being done. Earlier, when partition of India was done in 1947, lot of migrants they came in this Tarai area and they started living over here. In this Tarai area only you will find the Dudhwa National Park. Now, so we have seen Bhabhar area, we have seen the Tarai area. After that, the next division is the Bhangar area. So now let's see what is this Bhangar. For example, this river is flowing, okay, and nearby area when floods are coming, nearby area which is there, it is flooded with water, and again the soil of this area is getting renewed. This area is known as Khadar area. Okay, this is Khadar area. Okay, the area which is near to the river bank, where the alluvial soil it is renewed every year by the floods, is known as Khadar area, and the area which is away from the rivers, this area is known as the Bhangar area. So students, we have seen the divisions of the northern plains based on the relief features. Once again, I will be having the quick recap for that. When the river is flowing on the footstep of the mountains, it is depositing all the pebbles. This area is known as Bhabhar area. In the Bhabhar area, the river seems to disappear because the river is flowing between the rocks. Then after the Bhabhar area, the second area which is that it is known as the Tarai area. It is a marshy area. Here you will find the lot amount of trees, forest you will find here. And the third area after that, it is the area which is known as the Bhangar area. Bhangar area is that area which is away from the rivers. Okay, and the nearby area is known as the Khadar area. Khadar area, it is the area which is nearby to the banks, and every year the soil of the Khadar area is renewed by the floods. So hope students you have understood this. Do make the notes of the topic. In our next class, we will be coming up with the next physical feature, that is the Peninsula Plateau. Till then, take care, thank you, and Jai Hind.